Are you one of those who took for granted the password reset of Office 365? Or, you are one of those forgetful individuals? If your answer is yes, then this tutorial is right for you. This video tutorial is for active Office 365 account holders who were not able to register their self-service password reset during the activation of their accounts. Log into www.office.com with your Office 365 account. Click your profile picture on the upper right corner of the screen. Click View Account. On the left panel of your My Account screen, click Security Info. As you can see here, there are no methods yet to reset your password. Click the Add Method button to set up one. There are two methods here to choose: email and security questions. For me, I prefer the email method. You may choose the security questions method if you are not a forgetful person. Provide your alternate email in the space provided, then click Next. The system asks you to enter the verification code. Log into the alternate email you've provided. Open the account verification code sent by Microsoft. Copy the verification code. Go back to your security info window, paste the code in the space provided. Click Next button, and that's it. Your alternate email for password reset was successfully registered.